Hey everybody, this is Hans Newts for Wilderness Systems. I'm going to walk you through the installation of the seat extensions for the AirPro Max for all ride models. The AirPro Max covers 3 models of ride kayaks, and as with all rotomolded polyethylene kayaks, you are going to get some variation in width. So the seat extensions are designed to take up some of the differences in width that you're going to see with the ride kayaks. What you'll find inside the seat extension kit bag is a set of instructions. You're going to have 12 nylon spacers and you're going to have 4 extension bolts. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is remove the seat, and you want to locate the lower seat posts. Once you've located the lower posts, you'll notice there are 2 slots in each post. You want to thread the extensions into the outermost slot of each post. So you're going to thread the slot that is towards the bow of the kayak, and you're going to thread the slot that is towards the stern of the kayak. So the installation is simple, and you can use these spacers to adjust for the width of your kayak. You can use up to 3 per extension. When you thread the extension into the slot, the extension is going to self-center as you thread it in. So I've started threading it in by hand, and as I thread the extension in, the bolt will self-align. At some point, you're going to want to switch over to a set of adjustable pliers to finish tightening it down. So I'm using a set of adjustable pliers to finish tightening it down. This is what the extension should look like when it's fully seated with 2 spacers. Okay, so you want to repeat the same steps for the remaining 3 posts, and I would recommend that you use the same number of spacers for each extension. So once you've installed all of the seat extensions, you want to put your seat back in the boat. When you put the seat in the boat, you'll see how much resistance you have with the seat sliding. If you find that there's too much resistance, you may want to remove a spacer. And if you see that you still have a sizable gap, you may want to add a spacer. So when you've completed installing the seat extensions, the seat should fit snugly in the boat, but should still be able to slide. This concludes the installation video for the seat extensions. Thank you for supporting Wilderness Systems.